Welcome to the Revoke Freeze Authority feature on Solana. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to revoke the freeze authority of your Solana tokens. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. Next, select the token for which you want to revoke the freeze authority. Click on the token address input field and choose your token from the drop-down list. This will load the connected wallet tokens automatically. Verify the token details to ensure you have the correct token selected. Check the freeze authority status, mint authority status, and update authority status. Now, click on the Revoke Freeze button to initiate the process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the total fees and the amount of SOL required. Once you confirm the transaction, the process will begin. You'll see a processing message on the screen. This might take a few moments. The platform is now revoking the freeze authority on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! The freeze authority for your token has been successfully revoked. You can now view the updated token details. Thank you for using the Revoke Freeze Authority feature. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation.